Hello and welcome to Key Auto Trade here in Ashford, Kent. We are just happy to present you with this another addition to our stock, the popular Nissan Qashqai. This is a 2018 model. This is the 1.2 N-Connecta, manual with 6-speed gearbox. The car has one owner from new, VAT qualifying if you're buying it for the business, and has full Nissan service history. And as you probably see from the description, it's got 7 Nissan service stamps plus another service that was done at just under 81,000 miles. The car has done 81,500 miles from new. The purpose of this video is to walk around and show you the condition, the clean condition, inside and out, and so the specification. And this is the panoramic sunroof model, and it has rear parking sensors, front parking sensors. It's got the bird's eye view of the camera as well, so parking is a double in here. The Nissan Qashqai is an excellent family car with a lovely roof for the kids to see, but also a boot for you to store. So sitting in the back for 5 people in total is comfortable. From the specifications, we've mentioned a few things from the outside. As you can see, it's got folding mirrors, keyless entry, 4 electric windows, stop start, lane departure warning, cruise control, climate control, satellite navigation. It's got the auto hold as well, as you can see there. That's quite handy. Hill holds and that sort of thing, so it doesn't roll back. It's got the auto lights on, as you can see here. 81,472 miles at the time of this video. Let's hear it running. Impressive condition, the state of the plastic, state of the seats. This is an RAC approved dealership, so the car will have benefited from the 82-point check, which is called the Buy Sure scheme, and it comes with a minimum of 3 months RAC platinum warranty, which you can extend for up to 3 years if you wanted to. Finance is also available, subject to status. You can apply using our website. We do also accommodate for no deposit finance if you have the credit score for it. Our low finance rates are from 9.9 APR. We are located 300 yards from Ashford International Station. If you have any part exchange or any queries, please get in touch. And would like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching.